Hello everyone, this is Nitin here. How you guys are doing? I hope your watercolor journey is going great. And we are following to holiday season, and I'm wishing you all the happy, New Year and a great holiday. So today I'm going to paint this Santa Catalina Iceland, which really influenced me to paint this time. So I'm making this art, and before starting this, I just wanted to say thank you so much, everyone. Giving me so much of encouragement and motivation to make a lot of art. So let's go. Let's start with sketching. So sketching is something I keep asking many people that please give attention and do a lot of exercise around that. You have to do a lot of sketch. First thing you must understand, you will not. That's my statement. You will not learn watercolor until unless you will not get some perfection on your sketching, because those sketches is actually makes a lot of a lot of gives you a lot of ability to make your composition right. So that's really important. So let's spend some quality time doing sketch. And as you can see, I've done this sketch, but let me just introduce my Skillshare class. I have made a new watercolor class on landscape, which you can go through my Skillshare classes. There are several classes available. So here is the one new message.
Hello everyone, my name is Nitin Singh and I'm a watercolor artist. I have been doing watercolor since 2 decades, and I love watercolor art. And I see when the people feel really good, going through my courses, watercolor courses, and I feel even better when I see people are really learning from them. That's really encouraged me to make a lot of watercolor courses like that. In this watercolor class, you will be learning how to paint a watercolor landscape. It's a very easy step-by-step learning. I will categorize the class in a very intuitive manner where it can help you to learn learn the various tips and technique making a landscape. So I think it's a beautiful way to paint watercolor, especially the landscape, because a lot of people really want to make a landscape, painting. So welcome to my class, and I hope you'll have a fantastic time going through this class.
So I hope you'll have a really great time going through that class. So let's focus on this painting. So currently what I'm doing is I'm just mixing ultramarine blue and a little bit of burnt sienna, and then the green. So all of these I'm making to make this sky. And there is a little far away, there is a mountain which I have used this ultramarine blue and sepia, use a little bit of sap green to make this. So I hope you'll have a good time going through this video. Just observe what I'm doing, what is the the kind of color I'm using, and I'm sure so there will be some good learning to you, to your art journey. I'll leave you here with the hope that you'll have some great learning here. So enjoy this session.